What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. I just wanted to do a quick little update here. I'm going for a Euro USD long tonight into tomorrow's ECB. I had two little scalps with USD CAD. It's just not acting. It's just not acting right, so it might need to get... Yeah, this might need to come down here. I don't know what's going on here. But I went for the break, you know, this break, retest. I entered here, went a little bit higher than I expected, came down. I made some profits, it looked bullish, so I jumped in long this morning, it pushed up. I took profit again and got out because it, on the 1 hour chart, started looking like it was coming back down. And I just wasn't sure what was happening here. But regardless, I'm only interested in a long-term buy below this low down here somewhere. So I'm going to wait for USD CAD to get down here. And when it does, I'm game. I'm game for a long-term buy to the upside. But if you look at like GBP USD, it's so overextended right now. It's so overextended. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. It just keeps going. And we have a big, big time zone right there. I mean, a big time reaction. And we're about to revisit that, I think, tonight into tomorrow morning. So I feel like it's inevitable at some point that this is going to start to come back down. So, Euro. Yeah, ECB is tomorrow, plus red flag news for USD. So I'm thinking, and this is my reasoning behind it, because the Fed's talking about lowering interest rates. I feel like the market knows when that's going to be already. The market already knows, right? But if they lower interest rates, the dollar's going to go down. I feel like you got this high and this high. We've got this expansion here. I feel like the market's going to start walking its way up. And it's going to be like convenient timing that it's just perfectly parked, like right in this zone, by a Fed meeting. And then, you know, Jerome Powell says, we're going to lower interest rates, and it comes up and snaps the high and then starts heading down. I think that's the most likely scenario, creating this little flag here. Second scenario is I'm wrong. You always have to have two scenarios. I'm wrong, and this is going to continue to just wiggle its way down. Very, very slowly. That's possible as well. And then like maybe right before the election or right after the election or whatever, we have this political turmoil or something crazy happens and we have a big market meltdown and it crashes and then it shoots up and sweeps all the highs and then it goes down. But I think right now the most logical answer in my mind is this is a little flag. It's going to push up, take out these highs. I don't know if it's going to be in a straight line, obviously. It could be just an absolute mess. But I think that's the general direction, I think. So instead of looking for a reversal point and just waiting for a reversal point, because that usually never ends well for me, you know what I mean? It's like you look for a reversal point, you're in too early, you're in major drawdown, you end up taking a loss over and over and over again. I'm just going to stick with the momentum for now, cautiously. I see on the 1 hour chart for Euro USD, it looks like we have a flag forming right here. So if this comes down, it can fill me tonight, come into these highs here, and then push up into ECB tomorrow morning at 8:30. I think what's going to happen is Euro's going to sweep this little high, and I'm hoping that from there it starts coming back down. You know what I mean? I'm hoping that we get like a pin bar candle on the daily by the end of the day. Because if you do this and this, and then imagine a little wick coming up there, and then we have a candle body there, that would be beautiful. That'd be a great sign that potentially this is going to swing all the way back down, potentially go all the way, you know, a little bit lower to take out lows, you know, before it goes back up. So I think that's, I'm hoping that this is a potential weekly, and this could be a few weeks, a month kind of trade. Get in up here and hold it all the way at least to this low, but potentially even lower. But there's always that possibility that you're wrong and it just blasts straight through, goes a lot higher than you think, and then comes back down and retests and then goes higher. I'm hoping that that's not the scenario. And I'm hoping that this is the scenario. I don't feel like we have I just don't feel like we have clear direction yet. So price will just waste time. So yeah, I'm going for this. If I can get filled on this tonight, I'm going to take profit at the high. That should be $570. That'd be a great little trade for the week. And then above the high, I'm going to look for a sell. If it gets much above 1.10000, then I'm out. I'm out. But we'll see. We will see how this goes tonight. See you later.